Shut up! Hey, what did you do that for? Not shutting up because you're stupid snoring. Oh, well, I'm sorry. And how come your eyes were open when you were sleeping? Gross. I can sleep with my eyes open, so whenever people think I'm sleeping, I'm not. Oh, people know you're sleeping. No, they're not, because I got magic ninja powers. Beat that, Blake. My beautiful face beats everything. Not so beautiful when it's smeared in a cupcake. What did you just say? What did you say? Nothing of your category. I'm in every category because I'm so beautiful. My personality fits everything. So nice, so true, so... So, I guess you fit the ugly category. Everything but that. Loser, dork, annoying, a brat, a diva, a loser. Oh, I think I already said that. Exactly. Not very many. And, of course, I'm none of those. All the good things like beautiful, nice, respectful, truthful. She's nowhere near truthful. She says I'm weird. So, not weird. Now I'm going to have some tea in the nice quietness. There's no such thing as quiet daytime when I'm around like a party animal I am. Do you hear that? The floor is vibrating! Feels like a motorboat crashed into our house. Vroom! Vroom, vroom! Oh, it's gone. Maria, what will it take for you to shut up? Shut up! Miss me, please don't kiss me. Ow! Blake, every single time I turn my back, you're fighting with Maria. Now, what has she done this time? She will not shut up when I'm trying to sleep. You heard that snoring? It's almost impossible not to. Yes, I heard it, but that's how Maria sleeps. You get used to it after a while, but sometimes you do need a break, and you do get a little you do get a little freaked out, and you just leave and sleep outside. What about that? Ew, no, there's gross bugs out there. Blake, you are hopeless. It's either that or dealing with this noise all day. No! No! Oh! No. I want to make sure you get... No. No one's in my bed. No, I'm just kidding. No, no, no. it up a little bit. I'll put that over the top. Good enough. No, this thing starts to break. Oh yeah, tip, whenever you have a bunk bed, it starts to break and fall. Oh man, this thing's all done. Up. Got it. Yes. I just need to put this thing on. And then pick you up. Put you back up here. There we go. Except you're backwards. That'll do. Okie dokie. Just like a raspberry smoky. We got it here. There's a blanket. Alrighty, we're good. Oh, it's still recording. Blake. Ugh. Every time I turn around, you're always fighting with Maria. Now, what did you two do to each other this time? No! Like, every single time I turn my back around, you always do something to Maria. You and her get in a fight. Now, what did you guys do to each other this time? Well, it's not my fault. It's not my fault. It's not my fault. Okay, you know what? Maria was snoring like a wild animal, and she was just, ugh. I realize Maria's snoring is annoying. I'm not annoying. You're the one who's annoying. Maria, just stop talking. Me and Blake will settle this. But you know what I did? I went and slept outside, and I had a campfire going, and it almost burned down. So then I decided to sleep inside. And then after that night of all the birds and all the annoying animals out there, I got used to Maria snoring. Ew, bugs, gross. What if they get in my hair? I'm not going to do that. What if they get on my face? Or worse yet, in my nose. Ew. Don't let me think about that. I'm sorry, Blake. Don't touch me. But I'm your sister. I'm supposed to hug you. Don't touch me. Ow. I'm going to give you a hug. No, don't touch me. Don't touch. Yeah. Ew. Get off.